Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're going to dissect one of the most misunderstood financial goals in America, turning $5,000 into $100,000. And we're going to do it not by gambling, not by day trading, and definitely not by throwing money at some mystery crypto coin just because someone on social media pointed at a chart with red arrows. Instead, we're focusing on building what is known as quiet wealth. Now, what if I told you that building massive wealth is actually, incredibly boring? Most folks assume that to grow your net worth, you need to be constantly stressed out, glued to the financial news, and trying to time the market perfectly. But the truth? The most successful wealth building is done through a system of automated lazy investing. It's all about doing the embarrassingly simple things that most people just ignore because, frankly, they don't sound exciting enough. Okay, let's dive into this. Here's our structured masterclass for today. We'll start with the wealth seed. Look at a tale of two savers. Explore the 4 wealth containers. Beware the silent leaks, and finally, unpack the lazy wealth blueprint. Part 1, the wealth seed. Changing how you view money. $5,000. For a lot of people, this number just represents a tax refund, an annual bonus, a few months of aggressive saving, or maybe cash sitting anxiously in a checking account. But here's the part almost everyone completely misses. $5,000 isn't powerful because of what it is today. It's powerful because of what it can become. You absolutely have to stop treating this as future spending money. Treat it like a tiny employee that works for you quietly in the background. Think about it. Money is an employee. And just like any employee, if you really want it to perform, you have to give it the right job and put it in the right environment to thrive. You have to let it do the heavy lifting while you sleep. Moving on to part 2, the tale of two savers, Mike versus Rachel. To see exactly how this tiny employee behaves in different environments, let's look at a totally relatable scenario. We've got two 30-year-olds. Both earn middle-class incomes, both are tired, busy, and completely uninterested in staring at stock charts all day. First, there's Mike. Mike keeps his $5,000 in a checking account because, it feels safe. He tells himself he'll invest later when he knows more. But you know how it goes. Later becomes next year. And a decade later, that money has quietly been eaten alive by inflation, lukewarm takeout food, and random 2 a.m. online orders for stuff he doesn't even remember buying. Then we have Rachel. Rachel takes that exact same $5,000 and sets up a lazy system. She opens a Roth IRA, buys a broad, low-cost index fund, turns on dividend reinvestment, and then she literally does nothing. If that money grows at a historical average of around 8% annually, Rachel's $5,000 turns into over $100,000 in 39 years, and she didn't add another single cent. Now, I know what you're thinking. 39 years sounds like an absolute eternity to wait for $100,000, but the lazy way is a system, and here's how you put it into overdrive. If Rachel takes that initial $5,000 and simply adds $200 a month, which, by the way, is just the equivalent of a modest car payment difference or cutting out a few unused subscriptions, she crosses that $100,000 mark in just 17 years instead of 39. Add $300 a month, it drops to 15 years. You are literally slashing decades off your timeline with minor automated tweaks. Part 3, the 4 wealth containers, where the wealthy actually put their money. See, the wealthy don't just invest blindly. They place their money into very specific tax-advantaged workplaces. Obsessing over which stock to buy while ignoring the container is kind of like obsessing over the groceries you bought while leaving your refrigerator unplugged. It just doesn't make sense. The first container you need to plug in is the Roth IRA. You put in after-tax money, invest it, and the growth comes out entirely tax-free. For 2026, the contribution limit is $7,500 for most people. That means your $5,000 seed fits perfectly inside it for the year. And the real magic here? If your $5,000 becomes $100,000, you aren't just making $95,000, you are keeping that entire $95,000 out of the IRS's hands. Container number 2 is the 401k employer match. Millions of people completely ignore this, but you absolutely need to view this as guaranteed salary that you only receive if you take 5 minutes to fill out the form. The 2026 basic contribution limit is $24,500, but your immediate goal shouldn't even be maxing that out. It should simply be capturing the full employer match. Guys, this is free money. It's an instant return on your cash before the stock market even opens for the day. Then we have container number 3, the Health Savings Account, or HSA. If you have an eligible, high-deductible health plan, this account is a literal cheat code. It is triple tax-advantaged. For 2026, the limits are $4,400 for individuals and $8,750 for families. Now, most people use this like a medical checking account, just swiping their card at the pharmacy. But the wealthy, they invest the balance, pay for those small medical expenses out of pocket, and just save the receipts to reimburse themselves years later, long after the account has experienced massive tax-free growth. Our fourth container isn't actually designed to make you rich. It's designed to protect the money that makes you rich. These are your safe assets. Because look, not every dollar belongs in the stock market. Your emergency fund needs to be rock solid so that when your transmission inevitably dies or your landlord decides to raise the rent, you aren't forced to sell your investments at the worst possible time. For example, Series I savings bonds issued between May and October of 2026 have a composite rate of 4.26%. To safely guard your cash against inflation, you have got to protect the seed. Part 4. Beware the silent leaks. Protecting the seed from fees and fear. Now, what's really interesting here is that even if you plant the seed in the perfect container, there are still predators lurking. A 1% fee sounds tiny, right? It sounds polite, almost harmless. But over 40 years, that polite fee siphons off tens of thousands of dollars from your compound interest. It can literally be the difference between you keeping the rewards of your own patience and someone else quietly stealing it away with a nice-looking brochure. So keep your fees low by using broad index funds. And then, of course, there's the emotional leak. As the old saying goes, compounding only works if you stop digging up the seed every 3 weeks to check if it became a tree. When the market drops 20%, it feels incredibly personal. It feels like the universe looked right at your account and said, nope, not today. But listen to me, the market doesn't know you exist. Volatility is simply the price of admission. You need a plan that is boring enough to survive your own emotional reactions. Which brings us to part 5, the lazy wealth blueprint, your actionable system. Let's tie all of this together into a concrete master plan. This is where we stop theorizing and start building. Here are the 7 exact steps you need. First, keep a basic emergency buffer so you never invest money you're going to need next month. Second, capture every single dollar of your 401k match. Third, fund your Roth IRA based on your tax situation. Fourth, buy the whole scoreboard by investing in a low-cost diversified index fund. Fifth, and pay close attention here because automation wants net worth, automate a monthly contribution. Do not ask your mood for permission. Sixth, increase that automated amount whenever you get a raise right before lifestyle inflation kicks in. And seventh, leave it alone. Simply doing nothing after setting up a brilliant system is the most productive financial decision you will ever make. So I'll leave you with this final thought. Are you ready to stop working for every single dollar and let quiet wealth start working for you? Remember, $5,000 is not small. It's a seed. It requires soil, protection, time, and the incredible discipline of simply leaving it in the ground. You don't need a secret to get wealthy. You just need to use the tools that have been sitting there this entire time, ignore the noise, and let your first $5,000 become the beginning of something truly unstoppable. Start building your quiet wealth today.